What's it say?
Dog. Big dog, little dog.
He's looking right at it.
Big dog and little dog. Black and white dogs.
You gotta get the other side.
He's listening too, Ava. He'll pick up on us.
Hello, hello.
Oh, he did. Look what he
There he
did.
goes.
Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. One little
Dog.
dog going and three little dogs going out.
He's got his hand up here like, not sure I really believe this story. Let me think about it for a while. Look at him.
A red dog on a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dog and some little dog going around in cars.
He hasn't blinked.
Yeah. Two big dogs going up, one little dog going down. I think it's a big dog.
When Julie was pregnant, did you talk to her belly?
I read the book.
I think he knows your voice.
The green dog is up, the yellow dog is down, the blue dog is in, the red dog is out.
He's like, hurry up, Ava, I'm starting to fall asleep. Look at his eyes. They're
One
getting so
dog up
heavy.
on a house, three dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under a tree.
Look at his face expression.
It's classic.
He's
Two dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water, a dog under the water.
He likes it so much you put him to sleep. There you go, more pictures.
Hello, Jen. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye. Goodbye again.
Look
Goodbye.
at her hat looks like Asher's hat.
Does she have anything with a cat as you?
He knows your voice.
The dogs are going around and around and around. Go around again.
He just jumped so he can wake up. He doesn't want to miss anything.
The sun is up, the sun is yellow, the sun is over the house. It is not hot over here under the house. That house is heavy.
You know why it's not hot? Because they're in the shade.
Yep. It is hot out here in the sun. Now it is night. Three dogs at a party on a boat at night.